Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the construction of the largest plaza in Spanish Town. This is the Marabella Plaza and it's being built by Marabella Holding Limited. Now it's a 24-acre development, massive development. It's going to have a Quartz store, a major auto parts retailer, banking facilities, food and beverage outlets, a gas station with convenience services, and multiple retail shops. So this is a major development happening out here. Now, as you can see, they have actually started construction to the area is fenced off and they have actually started to put up the buildings. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening here. Spanish Town, the historic capital of Jamaica, is experiencing a wave of new commercial growth, and one of the most talked about projects is Marabella Plaza. This large-scale development, spearheaded by Marabella Holding Limited, is poised to become one of the most significant modern retail and commercial centers in St. Catherine. Marabella Plaza is being developed along the Spanish Town bypass near Whitechurch Street. This corridor is one of the busiest access routes into the town, linking Kingston to communities across St. Catherine. Because of its prime location, the plaza is expected to attract not only Spanish Town residents but also commuters and businesses from surrounding areas such as Portmore, Old Harbour, and Linstead. The bypass location gives the development strong visibility and easy vehicular access, which are key advantages for major retailers and service providers. The project sits on approximately 24 acres of land and is designed as a modern commercial complex. Reports indicate that Marabella Plaza is expected to include a new branch of Quartz Jamaica, a major auto parts retailer, banking facilities, food and beverage outlets, a gas station with convenience services, multiple retail shop spaces. This mix of tenants suggests that Marabella Plaza will function as a one-stop commercial hub, similar in style to modern plazas found in Kingston and Montego Bay. In summary, Marabella Plaza is set to become one of the most important commercial developments in Spanish Town. With its strategic bypass location, major planned tenants, and large land footprint, it represents a significant step forward in the town's economic modernization. If completed as envisioned, it could redefine the commercial landscape of Spanish Town for years to come. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.